with the same kind of jelly roll that you started with for the first leaf cane, but this time you are actually reducing it until it gets long enough to be cut in 6 manageable pieces. Manageable as in being long enough so that you'd be able to reduce the resulting cane. Once you cut the pieces, start flattening them a little bit, one by one. Of course, you can try and flatten them before cutting them, but it's easier to do it this way. Then put them together, 3 in groups of 3. You can cut it in 8 if you want and put it together in groups of 4. Pull a little bit if any of them is shorter than the others, and put them together so they would have the longest side adjoining, and then slightly skew them. Press them so they'd be a little bit skewed to the side. And then all you have to do is to put them together and then pinch on the side where the tops are closer to each other because of the skewing of the whole group, and then pinch together also the bottom, and you have your new leaf formed. All you have to do now is to make sure and press so you eliminate any kind of air pockets. Also, on this type of oval cane, you don't cut straight, you cut a little bit on the side, otherwise you will be smushing your cane. So let's see how it looks from a close-up. And there you go. You have a pretty leaf done with a jelly roll that you can use for your project. Happy claying!